Assalamu alaikum aspirants. Today we will focus on civics and ethics. This subject builds your understanding of state, society, law and moral values. It helps you become not only a good candidate but also a responsible citizen. So pay attention to the explanation as they connect theory with the real life. First question discuss करते हैं. Which form of government is based on the will of the people? तो राइट आंसर है डेमोक्रेसी. डेमोक्रेसी derives from Greek words meaning rule by the people. It's only a system where governmental authority means directly from citizens through voting and representation. Next question. The Constitution of Pakistan 1973 guarantees which fundamental right? Right answer is freedom of speech. Article 19 of Pakistan Constitution guarantees freedom of speech and expression as a fundamental right for all citizens. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज़ द मेन ड्यूटी ऑफ जुडिशरी इन अ स्टेट? तो मेन ड्यूटी है जुडिशरी की लॉज इंटरप्रेट करना. ठीक है, जुडिशरी प्राइमरी रोल इज इंटरप्रेटिंग एंड अप्लाइंग लॉज, इंश्योरिंग जस्टिस एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कंप्लायंस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज़ द करंट सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशंस 2025? सो राइट आंसर इज एंटोनियो गुतेरेस. एंटोनियो गुतेरेस इस वक्त सेक्रेटरी जनरल हैं यूनाइटेड नेशन के एंड उनका ताल्लुक जो है वो पुर्तगाल से है. पुर्तगीज डिप्लोमेट एंटोनियो गुतेरेस हैज़ सर्व्ड एज यूएन सेक्रेटरी जनरल सिंस जनवरी 2017 एंड कंटिन्यूइंग इनटू 2025. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एथिकल प्रिंसिपल? राइट आंसर इज justice. Justice is a fundamental ethical principle concerning fairness, moral rightness and giving each person their due. Next question, the idea of separation of powers was given by? Right answer is Montesquieu. French philosopher Montesquieu developed the theory of separation of powers in the Spirit of Laws 1748, advocating for executive, legislative and judicial branches. Next question, what is the minimum voting age in Pakistan? 16 year, 17 year, 18 year or 21 year? So right answer is 18 year. Pakistan lowered the voting age from 21 to 18 years through constitutional amendment enabling greater youth participation in democracy. Next question, which body is responsible for conducting elections in Pakistan? Supreme Court, Parliament, Election Commission or Federal Government? So right answer is Election Commission. Next question, in ethics which term refers to the greatest happiness for the greatest number? So right answer is utilitarianism. Utilitarianism developed by Bentham and John Will judges action by their consequences for all overall human happiness and well-being. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द अपोजिट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी? डेमोक्रेसी का अपोजिट है डिक्टेटरशिप, मीन रूल बाय वन पर्सन. डिक्टेटरशिप रिप्रेजेंट द कंप्लीट अपोजिट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, एब्सोल्यूट पावर concentrated in one individual rather than distributed among the people. Next question, which pillar of the state makes laws? Media, legislature, executive or judiciary? So right answer is legislature. The legislature mean parliament in Pakistan is the primary law making institution with constitutional authority to draft, debate and pass legislation. Next question, the concept of social contract was introduced by Rousseau and Locke, Hobbes. Right answer is all of the above. Each contributed unique perspective. Next question, which article of the 1973 Constitution deals with equality of citizens? Right answer is Article 25. Article 25 ensures equality before law and equal protection of law for all citizens, prohibiting discrimination on grounds of race, religion, caste, sex or place of birth. Next question, in ethics, virtue means moral excellence. What virtue means moral excellence and righteousness, the equality of doing what is right and avoiding what is wrong through good character traits. Next question, which of the following is an example of civic responsibility? Voting elections, watching television, traveling abroad or earning money? So right answer is voting elections. Voting in elections. The UN Charter was signed in which year? 1919, 1950, 1945 or 1960? So right answer is 1945. The UN Charter was signed on 26 June 1945 in San Francisco, established the United Nations as an international organization for peace and cooperation. Next question, which philosopher is known as the father of political science? So right answer is Aristotle. Aristotle systematically studied politics, classifying government types and analyzing political system, earning him recognition as the father of political science. Next question, in Pakistan, who has the power to dissolve the National Assembly? President, Prime Minister, Senate Chairman, or Chief Justice? So right answer is President. Under Article 58 of Pakistan Constitution, the President has the constitutional authority to dissolve the National Assembly on the Prime Minister advice. So right answer is President. Next question. In ethics, integrity means honesty and strong moral principles, political loyalty, military strength, or national unity. So, right answer is integrity, honesty, and strong moral principles. Integrity means moral uprightness and consistency in values. Next question, which is the highest court of Pakistan? So, highest court of Pakistan is Supreme Court. Supreme Court is Pakistan apex judicial institution with the final appellate. So civics and ethics help you understand how society works and what role you play in it. So these questions train your mind for both exam and real life. Always remember, your knowledge of law, democracy and ethics shapes your character and strengthens your future.